trip. Spring break 2022. Little bit and little bit. And daddy and mommy headed to Atlanta. Fun times ahead.
No, we're already in Atlanta.
Well, we're in Atlanta, but we just made our long road trip, 3 hours.
How you know that? You just asked how long it was.
Yeah, I know, right? Miss, are we there yet? It's talking about we're already here. She doesn't even know. We'll get back with you. Going to get lunch.
Great.
Look how small my blueberries are. Look how beautiful. Let's try one. It's a blueberry. Try it.
Wait, these are raspberries.
How do they taste like blueberries?
They're raspberries. What's your winner?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Open. Oh, man. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
That means, Quinn, you'll have to sleep, boy.
Watch a game right here.
Wait, actually? Yeah.
14.
Cause look,
Nice.
yeah, you can see the stadium right there, and you can just walk in.
Nice. Yeah, you can watch a game. Chop. That's what it is.
TV's a nice size too. For a change.
Cow?
Little sitting area. Where's the light? Where's the light? Where's the lights? There it is. Nice details. Nice bathroom. I like that.
It's on one of those big towers right here. Oh, I see it. You see it down here?
I think I did good, y'all. Spring break is on and popping.
Follow it all the way down.
Right here.
Quinn's trying to open the door.
Hang on, let me see.
Right here at the compass.
I'm scared.
No, just don't hang around the banister. I'll keep tipping over it.
Don't get on your tippy toes.
It's just safe. My waist hits this, so I can just roll over. They have to actually jump. If I just walk too fast, I don't really talk about that. Still won't think about it.
Good view.
Work it. You better work it.
Lake is on the running way.
I said runway.
You said the running way.
You said the running boy.
No, I said the runway.
Okay.
Work it, girl. Do it right. Hold your head.
Stop laughing at me.
Okay, we're not laughing. Go ahead and do your right
Doing
away.
it. You were doing it better earlier. Do it. Do it like you're excited to do it. Okay? Here we go. Work it. There you go.
Get the smile in the party.
Do it right.
Stop laughing.
It's funny. It's not funny in a bad way. It's funny because you are creative. You have attitude. You have
Character.
Character. It's your character. You have personality. Okay.
They gave the kids cookies. That was so sweet. Very hospitable hotel.
Hospitable?
Yes.
What is hospitable?
Good hospitality. That's nice.
Question
For they tear the room to smithereens.
now.
That's pretty. I like that. That doggy. Okay. That's pretty, isn't it? And stop it.
Ricky, we want to say happy birthday to you. Celebrate life. Happy birthday from all of us here at Aquarium.
What you doing, girl? Where to? Huh? Is this way?
Also, I want to give a special shout out to Alicia. She just became a doctor as well. Shout out to Alicia in the building.
Smile. A real smile. diva puffins, our horn puffins, tufty puffins, as well as our common mers and pigeon blue ones. These guys really do have a similar coloration to a penguin, are not penguins. That you are welcome for submission or sea lion representation. Please make sure you reserve your seats now to get the time that you want. To do so, you go to any of the QR codes.
Swimming backwards and everything.
One that says dolphins or sea lion. As you head up the ramp, please make sure we're standing to the left or the right, leaving the middle area open for movement. There is one more window to our southern yard, which you can see them playing with their devices.
Daddy wants to see the otters. I want to see the otters.
There he goes, Pat. Going in the water.
Not so much.
Mommy and Thorgo.
Why stay with us?
This little area.
That's so big.
Making it tornado. No flash.
Oh, that was coming right towards. Oh my goodness.
Oh no. No. Look at that.
Oh, there's a hammerhead in there.
See that hammerhead? Yeah, hammerhead. Huh? See it right there? That's the hammerhead. Right here.
You see
Gift shop, they keep him in that stroller. It did. He can see.
Wow.
Y'all already got y'all tickets for the zoo?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I got mine. I can't wait to see this. Like,
How do I, how do I do it?
we gotta do it online.
I just seen what's on another. That's already that's on nice.
$30.
Every side.
diver either.
Very rare. They have red eyes.
You ever see?
That, you talking about
Look at the lower level inside the aquarium. Those people looking at it. See it?
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Like the box.